everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete data on Zapier. If you want to delete your data on Zapier, whether it's task history, automation data, or stored information, this is the fastest and most complete way to do it. So let's walk through it step by step. First, log in into Zapier account. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Now in here, go to settings. Then select security and data. So tap on security and data at the left side. This is where Zapier stores all your data management options. Now, once you're inside, scroll down until you see data management. So here you'll see options like download my account data, download all private and shared zaps. You have delete my account, and most importantly, delete my data. So this is the key part. Click delete my data. So tap the trash icon on the right. Confirm the action when prompted. Tap on yes, delete. And then Zapier will delete your Zap content, remove Zap runs like task history, and delete your automations. You'll also receive an email confirmation once everything is completed. Now, deleting your data does not delete your account, so if your goal is to completely leave Zapier, you'll need to go to delete account settings separately. Now, before deleting, turn off all your Zaps, disconnect apps in My Apps. So this prevents new data from being recreated automatically. So, in short, to recap, you need to click on your profile at the top right. You go to settings, and next you go to security and data. Now, scroll down to data management and hit on delete my data. Just tap on the delete icon on the right side, then confirm and wait for email, and that's it. Your Zapier data is fully wiped. And that's how you can delete your data on Zapier, quick, simple, and secure. Just remember, deleting your data removes your zaps, task history, and stored automation info, but your account will still stay active unless you delete it separately. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this, especially if you're into automation, productivity tools, and step-by-step tech guides. Also, if you have any questions or got stuck on any step, drop a comment below. I'll try to help you out. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.